Arms in lateral position. Both arms are placed to one side, either the right or left, and can be positioned at shoulder, chest, or waist level. Brush step is on one foot and the dancer hits floor with the ball or heel on the other foot before lifting it in any direction. It can also refer to an artistic dance or brushwork. Hapay is to flourish or offer handkerchief, hat, or glass of wine to somebody with a sign of invitation. Hayon, to place one forearm in front of the other at back of the waist. This is the Visayan term. Kumintang. This term refers to the various distinct styles or techniques of folk music dance possibly originated in areas around Batangas. Pivot. Pivot is a turn dance where the performer's body rotates around its vertical axis without traveling. Salok. To scoop or swing an arm down upwards in front of the body, where the trunk following the scoop arm. Point. Touch the floor lightly with the toes of one foot, weight of the body. Whirl turn. Whirling is a form of active meditation involving spinning of the body in repetitive circles. Sarok. Cross the right foot in front of the left, bend the body slightly forward, and cross the hands down in front of the right hand over the left.